Okay, they say it's waterproof. We're gonna put it to the test. I have my bathtub almost full of water here, and we're gonna put it in sideways and see if the seal holds up. It's all closed and empty. So we are really gonna test it. Let's see if it floats first, because, yep, definitely floats. So that's cool. Let me try pressing it down. Okay, it went under probably 5 or 6 inches. Let me turn it upside down and try it the other way. It's actually hard to push under because of being able to float, but I know I can get it under there. So the seal is definitely under the water right now. This is coming from the handle. There's definitely water going in there. All right, the whole sealed part went under the water. So let me open it up and test it out. Let's put it down. Okay, let me get these clips here. Oh, I just heard it make a noise like sealed, letting the air out when you break the seal. So hope that's good news for us. All right, let's see. Is it wet inside? Nope, it's completely dry. And you guys saw how I did that. I dunked it pretty good, and it is completely dry inside. You can see the water goes up to the seal. It does not go in the seal, so that's awesome. It works like they say it does.